Next up is our main course. It's a chicken that's been poached and sautéed, so with pommes puree and caramelised turnips. Basically, chicken and mash.
Chicken, perhaps the most popular bird in Britain.
Remove legs, wings, parson's nose. Stuffed with garlic and salt. Poaching stock. Carrots, celery, leeks, pepper and coriander. Thyme, bay leaf. Poach 12 minutes. Morel mushroom sauce.
If you can't find morels, use a dried cep or just a dried wild mushroom.
Shallots. Salt, thyme, garlic. 100 grams dried morels.
We get some flavour on there. I much prefer using dried mushrooms because it gives it a lot of intensity.
White wine. Reduce. Remove chicken. Add stock. $150ml, double cream.
And the secret behind this sauce, of course, is getting it to almost like a cafe au lait colour. We squeeze all that juice out of there.
Parsley.
Into the sauce. OK.
Remove chicken breast.
Get your knife, point it on top of the wishbone, and go through it. Beautiful breast.
Season. Hot pan. Olive oil.
Skin side down first. Just really nice and crispy.
Butter. Baste. Chicken with Morel mushroom sauce. Done. Now, poaching the chicken and then sautéing actually helps to keep the breast nice and moist. And we all know what dried chicken tastes like. There's nothing worse. So the idea of poaching it first is to render the fat down. Then it's put in the pan, sautéed, and it keeps the colour and gives the skin a really nice flavour. A little bit of butter in there now. I start getting some colour on there. A bit of sugar. That's right. Now, we're serving turnips with the chicken. And what really pisses me off is that people are so rude about turnips. They're full of flavour, they're a great winter vegetable, and we're going to be caramelising these with some Chinese five spice. As the turnips soften, I drain off the fat and add a good dousing of port. This glazes the turnips, and as it reduces, they turn a great colour. Let's go, John. More port, a little bit of butter.
Yeah, warn me when you're doing that.
With the turnips, I'm also serving mashed potato. Now, some people use very fluffy and floury potatoes, but I'm using a nice waxy potato to help take on more cream and butter. The secret behind making a great mash, for me personally, is keeping the skins on. The skins protect the potato, so therefore it doesn't absorb all that water. And we peel them when they're piping hot. Never be tempted to make a mashed potato in a food processor. That turns it into like a gluey, horrible mess. I use hot milk and a ricer to make the mash. A lot of people take the potatoes off the stove at this stage, but I use a low heat to cook off any excess water and melt in the butter. There we go. 4 here, Mark. 6 first, and don't burn that butter, Shima. Watch that butter doesn't burn there, yes? Mark 4 and then 6, yes? 4, yeah?